Hi everyone, it's Amelia from Taipec. Today we are going to be making some Assam Black Tea and some jasmine green tea. We are going to start with the jasmine green tea. The ratio is 1:40. So today I'm going to be measuring 50 grams of the tea. Now you're going to need 2 litres of boiling water. You're going to then pour the green tea over the top. Do not stir. Instead of stirring, we are now just going to lightly press the tea down into the water. And don't forget to put the lid on. And then now set your timer for 7 minutes. It's now time to strain the tea. Using your strainer, just pour the tea, throw it into another jug. Make sure to not press the tea leaves as it can be quite bitter. Now we're finished with the green tea, time to move on to the black tea. The ratio for black tea is 1:30. Today we're making 1.5 litres, which means you're going to need 50 grams of tea. Now you're going to need 1.5 litres of boiling water. Remember not to stir, instead you're going to be pressing the tea leaves into the water. And now set your timer for 15 minutes. Next, time to strain the tea. Please make sure to keep these teas hot. To do so, you can use an insulated dispenser. Thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to have a look at our other how-to bubble tea videos. Thank you.